Picture this. Take a moment and really let your mind wander. Imagine yourself at the end of a long, exhausting day, your mind swirling with thoughts about work, your plans, and your future. You finally crawl into bed, hoping for a restful night's sleep after all your hard work. Maybe you're thinking about tomorrow's meetings, or the project you've been working on for weeks. But when you wake up, everything changes. You check your phone and see a message from your boss. The words hit you like a wave. Sorry, your job is now done by a computer program. We don't need you anymore. Just like that, your world is turned upside down. Suddenly, your life takes a sharp turn. You feel a rush of confusion, anxiety, and maybe even fear. Could this really happen to you? Is this the future we're heading toward? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but stories like this are already happening. In some industries and places, people have lost their jobs to computers, robots, or automated systems. And it's not just factory workers or people doing repetitive tasks. Even highly skilled professionals, doctors, artists, writers, and more, are seeing computers and artificial intelligence step into roles that once seemed uniquely human. The pace of change is breathtaking. Technology is moving faster than ever, transforming the way we live and work in ways we never imagined just a few years ago. But before we panic, let's pause and ask ourselves, is this change only something to fear? Or could it also bring new opportunities, new ways to grow, and even new kinds of jobs we haven't dreamed of yet? The answer isn't simple. It depends on how we choose to understand artificial intelligence, or AI, and how we decide to use it, whether we let it replace us, or work alongside it to create something better. So let's take a closer look. What exactly is AI? What are the things it can do better than humans, and where do we still have the edge? What makes us truly special in a world where machines are getting smarter every day? The future is full of surprises, some challenging, some exciting. The truth about AI and our place in this new world may not be what you expect. Let's explore it together. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines or computer programs that can do things that need smart thinking. These are tasks like answering questions, solving problems, or even talking to people. You use AI every day, even if you don't notice it. When you ask your phone a question, AI listens and answers. When you shop online and see recommended for you, that's AI at work. AI learns from data. Lots and lots of facts and examples. AI is not magic, and it isn't alive. It doesn't have feelings or dreams. It follows rules and patterns that humans teach it. But because it can learn from data, it can sometimes surprise even its makers. Still, AI is just a tool. It's like a very smart calculator that keeps getting better. But can it really replace humans? Let's see where it is already stronger than us. AI can do some things faster than any person. For example, it can read millions of books in seconds. It can solve hard math problems without making mistakes. It remembers everything it learns. No need for sleep or breaks. Think about how doctors use AI to look at X-rays. The AI can spot tiny problems in the pictures, sometimes even better than a human doctor. In factories, robots build cars quickly and perfectly, with no lunch breaks or tiredness. AI is also great at finding patterns in big piles of data. For example, banks use AI to spot fake credit card charges. Online, AI filters out spam emails before you even see them. It saves time and stops mistakes. With all this power, it's easy to think AI could take over everything. But before we jump to conclusions, let's remember what only humans can do. Humans are not just fast or smart. We have feelings. We laugh, cry, and care about each other. We can imagine things that never existed before. A painting, a story, a new idea. Humans make moral choices. We know when something is right or wrong. We feel empathy when someone is sad. AI cannot feel, love, or understand the meaning behind a smile or a tear. Creativity is another superpower. We write songs, invent games, and tell jokes. AI can copy styles, but it does not truly create something new from its own heart. Our relationships with friends and family make life rich and full. So even if AI becomes very smart, it will always lack our feelings, values, and dreams. That's something no machine can replace. Section 5. Jobs lost, jobs gained, the changing world of work. In today's world, the way we work is changing faster than ever before. Technology is transforming offices, factories, and even classrooms, creating new opportunities and challenges for everyone. Yes, it's true. AI can take some jobs away. Machines and computers are now able to do tasks that once needed human hands and minds. For example, Robots now build cars on assembly lines, and computers can check for spelling mistakes in documents instantly, making some jobs less common than before. It's no surprise that some people worry about what jobs will be left for humans in the future. The idea of losing your job to a machine can be unsettling. It can feel scary and uncertain to think about the future of work, especially when change happens so quickly and unpredictably. But, history shows us something important. Whenever new machines appear, new kinds of jobs are born. This has happened many times before. For example, when cars replaced horses, people didn't just lose jobs, they found new ones. People started making tires, fixing engines, designing roads, and even inventing new ways to travel. Today, AI is creating brand new careers too, like robot trainers, data scientists, and AI safety experts. These jobs didn't exist a few years ago, but now they're in high demand. The world of work is always changing, and every generation faces new challenges and opportunities. Cities grow, businesses evolve, and people adapt. Some jobs will disappear as technology advances, but others will be created in their place. New businesses open, new industries are born, and people find new ways to contribute. That's why it's so important for people to keep learning new skills and be ready to change. Lifelong learning helps us stay prepared for whatever comes next. Schools can help by teaching about technology, creativity, and problem solving. By learning how to use new tools and think in new ways, students can get ready for the jobs of tomorrow. If we get ready for change and work together, we can find new work that AI cannot do. Jobs that need human creativity, empathy, and imagination. The future is not just about losing jobs, but about discovering new and exciting things we can achieve together. By embracing change, we can build a better world of work for everyone. The best news? Humans and AI can be a powerful team. Together, they are stronger than either one alone. Doctors use AI to find problems in X-rays, then use their own judgment to help patients. Artists use AI to make new kinds of music, but add their own style and feelings. In offices, AI does boring tasks like sorting emails or making reports. This gives people more time to think, solve problems, or help others. When we work with AI, we can do more and make fewer mistakes. Learning how to use AI is a big advantage. It's like having a super smart helper. People who know how to work with AI will find more opportunities in the future. So instead of fearing AI, we should learn to use it wisely. That way, we can build a better world together. AI can do many things, and it's becoming more advanced every day, but there's one thing it cannot do: actually live in the real world. Unlike humans, AI doesn't have a body to move through life, or senses to experience the world firsthand. It cannot feel the warmth of the sun on its skin, or taste the sweetness of ice cream as it melts on a hot day. These simple pleasures are completely outside its reach. AI doesn't know what it's like to be afraid before a big event, or to feel happiness when reuniting with a friend. It can recognize these emotions in data, but it cannot truly feel them. Everything it knows comes from what people tell it, or from the information it's given. It has no personal memories or experiences to draw from. Because of this, AI can make mistakes that seem obvious to us. It might misunderstand a situation or miss important context that a human would notice right away. For example, if it learns from bad or incomplete data, it can make decisions that are wrong or even harmful. This can lead to unfair choices like showing bias in hiring or lending, simply because the data it learned from was biased. AI also struggles with things like jokes or sarcasm. It might not get the punchline, or could take a sarcastic comment literally, missing the real meaning. Sometimes it gives answers that sound smart but make no sense in real life, leaving people confused or even amused. When it comes to solving problems that need common sense or life experience, AI often falls short. It can't improvise or adapt the way people do. If a child is crying, a human knows to offer comfort, a gentle word, or a hug, things that come from empathy and understanding. An AI might not even recognize why someone is upset, or know what to do to help them feel better. AI can only learn from data, not from living life. It can read about experiences, but it can never truly have them. That's why humans are so important. We bring real-world experience, empathy, and understanding to every situation. We live, feel, and grow wiser every day, learning from our successes and our mistakes, and sharing those lessons with others. AI can help us in many ways, but only humans can truly understand the world, because we are the ones who live in it. If AI keeps getting better, the future could be bright. AI might solve big problems like curing diseases, fighting climate change, and making life easier for everyone. Imagine self-driving cars that save lives or robots that help care for the sick and elderly. But there are risks too. AI can be used to make fake news or deepfake videos that trick people. It can be used to spy on people's private lives. Some worry about losing more jobs or AI making unfair choices. We need good rules and smart leaders to make sure AI helps everyone. People must watch for problems and fix them before they get too big. If we are careful, the benefits of AI can be much greater than the risks. The future is what we make it. With smart choices, we can use AI to build a safer, happier world. So, who will win the future? AI or humans? The answer is not simple. AI is faster, remembers more, and does not get tired, but humans have feelings, creativity, and common sense. Each is strong in a different way. AI is like a powerful engine. It can work very hard. Humans are the drivers. We decide where to go. Alone, AI is just a tool. With humans, it becomes something much greater. The best results come when humans and AI work together. We use our unique skills, and AI uses its superpowers. Together, we can solve problems, create new things, and help each other. No one really wins the future alone. The real winners are those who work together and learn from each other. The truth about the future is simple and powerful. AI is not here to replace us, it is here to help us. When we use AI wisely, we can do things we never dreamed of. We can solve big problems and make life better for everyone. We should not fear AI. Instead, we should learn, adapt, and work together with it. By joining our human strengths, like kindness, creativity, and wisdom, with AI's speed and memory, we can build a brighter future. Every day, people and machines are teaming up to do amazing things. This is just the beginning. Imagine what we can do if we trust in ourselves and use technology for good. So, who will win the future? The answer is both. Humans and AI, standing side by side. And together, we can go farther than ever before.